Oh, I'm just kidding. I meant to do that. Welcome back to another episode. Let's get after it. Welcome back, everybody, to Woodness Goodness, the YouTube channel where I make mistakes while building this incredible cabin. This is episode, I'm honestly not sure. I think it's 29 or something. We've been building this for quite some time. I primarily only work on this on weekends. Sometimes I'm able to do a little bit of work on it in the evenings. The nice weather is definitely helping put in some more hours, and hopefully we'll have the exterior done in the next couple weeks. I've been saying that though for, it seems like it's been a month, but I'm hoping Max texts me back today and helps me put in some windows. So I'm just gonna plan for that. So I'm going to Tyvek this and Tyvek that bottom chunk there and then put window flashing on it to make it completely ready for windows. So let's do it. Hey, stop eating poop, man. That's so nasty. What's up with labs and poop? Oh. Well, I think it's finally warm enough where I don't have to heat this up or anything, which is a nice bit of a bonus. Bonus! Okay. Time to roll it out. This goes on so much better when it's warm out. I've decided to use my magical abilities once again and also save some camera roll, so I command the window flashing to be done. And just like that, baby, we've got our window flashing all up. Now, if I understand correctly, you want to start at the bottom and work your way up. That way, and I think I've said this before, but every piece of flashing will overlap like scales on a snake, so that water, if water does get in behind or moisture, it will just drip, drip, drip all the way out. Sounds like a beginning of a children's story. Drip, drip, drip all the way out. The moisture found its way into the cabin, but it did not go in because the builder himself built a great, great cabin. We're gonna stop by putting the bottom trim on. I have a 1-inch, I guess, interior reveal of the pressure treated, and I used all my brain cells to create these little blocks that will keep it a 1-inch up from the window. I'm a genius. 2.5 inches over there. Double check. We on, baby. We on like Donkey Kong. Woo! The power. Well, that worked. Whew. All we gotta do now is the side pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The middle stack, I need a 2x6, pressure treated 2x6, and I don't have that, so I'm gonna have to go out for that. Oh yeah, that's a nice fitment right there. Fitment. Oh. I love it when it's the same measurement. All of a sudden, I go from thinking I know absolutely nothing to feeling like an absolute pro. Huh, it's amazing. But now I forget what I just measured. I think it's 32 and a half. All right, this is super messy in here, so let's go ahead and do a quick cleanup. This little segment of cleaning the construction site is dedicated to my wife, who appreciates a clean environment. Let's go. Alright, that's good for now. I'm not gonna get carried away, because I'm gonna just make another mess in the next couple days anyhow, so. Okay. It's just a little high there, so I poked at it with my hammer and then I hammered it down. Again, not a professional way of doing it, but I mean, is anyone gonna mess with me on that? I don't think so. All right, guys, Max is here today. Whoop, whoop. He's actually got a truck full of more windows. So if anyone, maybe I should just run a contest for my subscribers, and if you win this contest that I have not made yet, but I could make, you would win a window. They've taken it this seriously. Like ones that were supposed to be in theater?
Yeah. he's a bad guy.
He's what?
What is he?
Woosa. Woosa. Just trying to get in my Saturday relaxed vibe. It's been a super busy week. Hope you guys have been doing okay. Sometimes, I don't know if you're like me, but my personality doesn't do well when I'm not doing something. If I'm on vacation, I'm the type of guy it takes like 5 days for it to become like a vacation where I can actually relax, put my mind at ease. And so I just have a hard time relaxing. And believe it or not, I actually find building this cabin pretty freaking relaxing. Not always, I mean, not always. I don't always like making mistakes. That doesn't make me feel relaxed. But anyhow, just trying to get into the right mindset. Today is Saturday, and I wish, ring ding ding dong 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 dong. I wish dong dong that I could dong 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 have an episode ding dong dong ready for you dong 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 dong. But I ran out of time ding dong dong dong, ran out of time ding da da dong, and now it's Saturday dong 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 dong. Now it's Saturday dong 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 dong. But you're gonna get an epic episode on a Sunday, Sunday. I know what you're thinking, and I have considered being a professional singer, but I just don't want all that fame and fortune, you know? It's just not me. I just realized this, but I got 2 tape measures. Dual wielding. And I also just want to let you know that me and my boys won Warzone last night. The new Call of Duty Warzone. We won a game, and I'm feeling great! Another great thing about doing this trim like I'm doing is it provides a heck of a lot of support for those window frames, because now you've got that flat horizontal board, so you have 2 pieces of wood on different axes, which is gathering thy most strongest points of thy structure of thy wood, right? I mean, Bill Nye the Science Guy. Boom, baby. Okay, now we can scab on the OSB and then put pressure treated trim on the other side. And that should conclude today's episode. Babe, my followers have to meet you.
This is so awkward.
They want to see your face. Thank you, Liz. There she is. That's the girl.
Do you guys just love Graham? Is he the cutest?
It's still filming, babe.
He's clearly frustrated, y'all. He's just giving her with the hammer.
Okay.
Sad day for Graham Genvy.
What are you saying?
I'm the commentary.
Don't commentate. All right, guys. Well, I wanted to trim this out and put the flashing on it, but it's already 7 o'clock and it's starting to get dark and I'm real hungry. Anyhow, as always, thank you so much. Merci beaucoup. Guten Tag. Spasiba. Gracias. Grazie. Trego. Guys, we are about to hit 10,000 subscribers. This is fun. This is a big deal. I am pumped up. Thank you so much for subscribing to these videos and for hanging out. I'm having fun. I hope you are too. And we are putting right along on this old cabin build. we are very close to putting this entire wall of windows in, which is really gonna be epic, and it's gonna be very special because I mean, I basically designed this entire cabin to have a big window wall. And as you well know, this window wall has changed a couple times. So having this complete with windows in it is gonna feel like a mission accomplished. As always, guys, thanks for hanging out, watching the video, spending time with me, digitally me. I can still feel the love and the vibes, so it goes a long way. Much love, keep grinding, keep surviving this time at your house or whatever you're doing. And my encouragement to you for today, for this episode, is take advantage of the time that you have to be with your friends, be with your family, whether it's FaceTiming or whatever. My challenge to you is start thinking of that next goal and that next thing you want to do, whether it is a cabin or a shed, or maybe you want to go back to school or something. Now's the time. Start to gather that energy up like a rocket ship that's full of fuel. As soon as you ignite that idea, i.e. the rocket, oh, this baby, she going, and she going until she runs out of fuel, which is hopefully gonna be in space, okay? Now you might hit an asteroid along the way, but I mean, if you don't try, you'll never fail. All right, peace and love, baby. See ya.